friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. I am very grateful to have you here. So I wanted to share something with you. I did a couple videos ago where I had found these containers that were going to be fantastic to utilize for baseball season. And it was really easy to take the writing off of it using a little bit of acetone. And so I got to wondering, are there other items that people are maybe using some acetone, taking it off to make other things? So I was on TikTok and I saw somebody doing these hand sanitizers. Okay, listen, I'm going to tell you, I don't know what they used or what they did, but there's no way that they actually took this off with acetone. There's no way. So, you can see, I soaked these things. Look how much I've messed up the stuff. I wiped it off. I soaked it as if it were acrylic nails. It is not coming off because this is indented in there. It's not just sitting on top of it like the other things. This is indented in there. So I don't know what they did. But so instead I was like, but I like the idea of doing a nice clear sticker? Absolutely, but that wasn't going to work. So I just took a piece of paper, put it over it, indented around, and then cut out. I took a picture, loaded it up into my Cricut, just so I'd have an idea. But I'll be honest, I made my pictures a little bit bigger because I thought that I would probably prefer to have it a little bigger and then cut around it, sandpaper if I need to. My colors aren't great because I got to replace my printer. It's old. It's, but we're gonna, we're just trying this. So we're gonna see. So this is just vinyl sticker paper. And I think that this is going to be much better. So, and using the template allowed me to have just a nice straight piece to use. I think that this is going to be really cute. There's something my dog don't like. Hold on, let me just see what's going on. I don't see anything, but I tell you what, somebody'd be crazy to come around here because he is not having it. All right, so that is perfect, and that is cute. Now we're not gonna mind the fact that I've got a whole mess here because trying to take that stuff off, but because when we put it in our little thing now, Look, just like this, super cute, but of course this isn't how we're gonna stop, but look at that. But you could stop there, right? Super cute. But, you know, of course we're not going to. So, let's go to the garage. All right. So now, we don't need a lot. Just a tiny little bit. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? I know there's something out there you don't like. I have a feeling that it might be a bunny or something. I looked on the cameras, buddy. There's no person out there. Oh, look how nice that looks. Beautiful. That makes me super happy. But then, all right, so we put this in just one little layer of UV resin, put it under the lamp for, I did 3 times. I think the lamp's 120 seconds, 3 times. I did put a couple little hearts on there and that. I thought that was cute. And then, so this guy, here's the little case it goes in. Sorry, that's my, because I use my phone, that's my little phone wristlet there. So this is super cute, right? Super cute. And I do like how this is just a little clip. You could switch off and stuff. And then, so I made this, and I just did my usual bead stuff for that. And it's just psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. And then, so this is cute. There's so much that you can do with these. I'm just gonna hook this right on here. I could also hook it on there with that. But this is super cute. Then I just went through my stuff and I put together this little guy here too. And we'll add it on. And okay, this is like my newest obsession. So we'll probably make some more of these. Like, I'm already like, okay, we could do stuff on here. Like, the things we could do, the themes we can do. And then I'm just wondering how it would look if I hooked it on there. I'm just playing around now. All right, so lots of themes, lots of things we're going to be doing. I think I like it on the hook better than I do on the actual case. All kinds of stuff that we can do with these, but look how cute this is. So cute. Adorable. And it is a Dollar Tree hand sanitizer. Super cute. All right, so I'm going to be making a few of these for a little while because I think these would be like great little gifts and stuff for people. How cute. I feel like you could totally sell these. Super cute. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.